If you're in the market for a new pair of ratchet pruners, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be taking a close look at 8 of the best models on the market and discussing their key features. After seeing this video, you should have a good idea of which pair of ratchet pruners is right for you. So watch the full video and check the links in the description for updated prices and information. And don't forget to subscribe. At the top of my list, there's Gonicc 8-inch professional ratchet anvil pruning shears. The blade on these shears is made of SK5 steel, which is a high-carbon steel that is commonly used in professional-grade tools. This means that the blades will be very strong and durable, able to withstand a lot of wear and tear. The handle is made of high-quality chrome vanadium steel, making it one of the most durable options on the market. These professional ratchet shears make quick work of even the toughest trimming jobs. The ratcheting mechanism's settings multiply your hand's power by up to 3 times, so you can get the job done more quickly and easily. Whether you're a southpaw or favor your right hand, these shears will feel comfortable in either hand. The ergonomic design reduces restraint and fatigue, so you can keep snipping all day long. Additionally, the anti-slip cushion handles are strong, lightweight, and comfortable. These ratchet shears make it easy to trim light branches, giving you the power to tidy up your yard with little effort. Number 2 is Easy Cut Heavy-Duty Pruning Shears. Easy Cut Heavy-Duty Pruning Shears are a cut above the rest because of their easy ratcheting mechanics. This means that you won't have to use as much hand power to prune, making your gardening tasks easier and less time-consuming. Long handle grip garden shears with shock-absorbing pads help reduce repetitive garden pruner motion injuries, hand fatigue, and restraint. When it comes to pruning your garden, the last thing you did want is to suffer from repetitive motion injuries, hand fatigue, or wrist strain. That's why investing in a pair of long handle grip garden shears with shock-absorbing pads is a smart move. These shears can help reduce the amount of stress on your hands and wrists while still allowing you to get the job done quickly and efficiently. It can easily cut through thicker branches that regular shears might have trouble with. With a cutting capacity of up to 1.5 inches, these shears will make quick work of any pruning job you have. They have had a well-earned reputation for being durable and reliable since 1988. Number 3 is Naye Ratchet Pruning Shears. These pruning shears are made of Japanese SK5 carbon steel blades, which means they are of superb sharpness and edge retention. You'll be able to make light work of any trimming job, no matter how big or small. Naye Ratchet Pruning Shears use leverage to make cuts with a fraction of the effort of conventional pruners. This makes them ideal for people with limited hand strength, or for anyone who wants to make light work of pruning jobs. The ratchet mechanism also means that you can make a series of quick, easy cuts without having to readjust your grip on the handles. Press the handle till you hear a click indicating the ratchet is locked on. Release the blade till you hear another click. Continue doing this till the branch is cut. These pruning shears are comfortable to use whether you are right or left-handed. Number 4 is MEPEREZ Ratchet Pruning Shears. The SK5 steel used in MEPEREZ ratchet pruning shears is of high quality, meaning the blades will not deform easily and can handle heavy use. This makes them ideal for anyone who needs a reliable pair of shears for tough jobs. These shears will not need to be replaced for at least 10 years, making them a wise investment for the serious gardener. These shears feature a Teflon coating that protects the blades from rusting. These ratchet pruning shears have an ergonomic handle that fits comfortably in your hand, with non-slip rubber to keep it from slipping or falling out. There's also a safety lock to prevent accidental cuts, so you can prune all day without any pain or worry. Number 5 is Hooyman Forged Loppers and Ratchet Pruner. These Hooyman Forged Loppers and Ratchet Pruners are perfect for tackling any overgrown shrubs or bushes. The 2-inch blade length and 8-inch overall length make it easy to maneuver and cut through even the toughest branches. The 1-inch cutting capacity also allows you to quickly trim away any unwanted growth without having to worry about damaging the plant itself. The H grip on these loppers and pruners is no joke. It's comfortable and secure, so you can focus on the task at hand instead of worrying about your grip slipping. These garden shears are built to last with an SK5 high-carbon steel blade that can withstand heavy use and any kind of wear and tear, plus allowing the blade to stay sharper. The low-friction Teflon coating on the blades is abrasion-resistant and prevents heat buildup, making them ideal for tough pruning jobs. Number 6 is MLTOOLS Ratcheting Bypass Pruning Shears. These ratcheting shears are made especially for weak hands or thick branches. They have sharp blades that will easily cut through tough branches, and the ratcheting mechanism provides extra power to make the job easier. These shears have a carefully designed handle that not only offers a firm slip-proof grip, but also helps to reduce fatigue while you work. The blades are made of SK5 high-carbon steel, while the body is made of aluminum, making them lightweight and durable. Plus, the ratcheting mechanism ensures a clean cut every time. The MLTOOLS Ratcheting Bypass Pruning Shears make pruning effortless for people of all ages. The ratcheting mechanism multiplies your cutting power, making it easy to cut through tough branches.